Hello, hello mga ka-YouTube, Sam TV ulit. Kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe ka na kay Sam TV. Pindutin mo na yung red button para masubscribe mo na ang channel ni Sam TV. At tulad nga ang sinabi ko, magbibigay ulit tayo ng reaksyon tungkol dito sa mga nangyayaring sakuna sa buong mundo, no? Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo. Madalang nga lang, sa atin nga madalang, ano? Pero yung nangyayari sa buong mundo ay napaka tindi ng dumarating na sakuna sa kanila. Bakit ganito ang nangyayari sa mundo? Dahil ba ito sa global change o pagbabago ng panahon? No? Hindi natin alam. Baka ito na rin yung nakalagay sa Bible na magkakaroon ng pamin o magkakaroon ng taggutom ang buong mundo dahil sa mga nangyayaring sakuna na nagaganap hindi lang dito kundi sa lahat ng dako sa mundo. Panoorin natin.
Hail in Dubnyani, Hodonin, Czech Republic. A big flood in Port Arthur right now. Proctor, Bluebonnet and Thomas streets are badly flooded. Texas, USA. A severe storm hit Oman. Power has been cut off in many areas.
Ito ang sinasabi na kahit anong yaman ng bansa mo, pag kalikasan ang sumalanta sa iyo, wala kang magagawa, no? Ito ang sinasabing walang mayaman, walang mahirap. Lahat kayo pag sinalanta ng kalikasan, pantay-pantay.
Areas. A little rain and you can swim. See how this road in Lagos is flooded after heavy rain. Nigeria. Breathtaking scene from Toluca, Mexico. A river of hail flows down the street. Typhoon Chaba in southern China. Tornado in Foshan City, China.
Alam niyo ba mga ka-YouTube, mga ka-YouTube, alam niyo ba na ang China ngayon halos nakalubog na ang kalahati ng bansa nila dahil sa walang tigil na pag-ulan, no? Ang mga dam nila halos umapaw na. Kumbaga, sa China, no, hinarang niya kasi yung mga dam, ano. May mga bansang nawala ng tubig dahil sa ginawa ng China. Ngayon, parang ang parusa sa kanila, gusto mo ng tubig, eto bigyan kita ng maraming tubig. Ayun, kalahati ng China ngayon nakalubog.
Large hail in Saunara, province of Padua, Italy. Consequences of the earthquake in Iran. An earthquake of magnitude 6.1 occurred in the province of Hormozgan in southern Iran. Video of the devastating forest fire in Dunajska Strata.
Kung titignan mo mga ka-YouTube, hindi lang ulan, hindi lang yelo, lindol, apoy, lahat ng sakuna nararanasan ng mundo.
Who were at risk from flooding caused by the rains of Tropical Storm Bonnie. Salvador. Disaster in Craiova after rain accompanied by a squall that lasted 50 minutes. Dozens of cars were washed away, roofs fell off, electricity poles fell, yards and houses were flooded. Romania. The Ibico volcano in the Kuril Islands threw ash to a height of up to 2 kilometers. Russia. Heavy rain with hail in Izki and Jabal al-Akhdar, Oman. Itaiba, Pernambuco, the municipal.
Pati pagputok ng bulkan, nandito rin lahat nga ng lahat ng pananalanta ng kalikasan, no?
Australia. Thousands ordered to evacuate Sydney as heavy rains cause life-threatening emergency. The Sydney area has experienced some of the heaviest rainfall in decades. Heavy flooding after rain in Elena tonight. Montana, USA. A strong hurricane passed in Yakusha. 18 people were injured. Bad weather broke out during the opening of the stadium in the Ust-Alden region. The wind blew people, structures, power lines and billboards. 18 people were injured, including 3 children. Baseball-sized hail plus 5 miles south of Vasta, South Dakota, USA. Heavy rains and strong currents in Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico. Severe storm in Cave Springs, Arkansas, USA. Mud flow with huge boulders in the Hunza Valley, Pakistan. Close-up footage shows the moment a tornado tore off the roof of a house in Guangzhou this afternoon, China. Yesterday there was a torrential hailstorm on the streets of Sana'a, Yemen. Flooding in the city of Yanji, China. More than 3 million people were left homeless and 5 million houses were destroyed in the recent floods in Sylhet. More than 100 people died in a month, 64 districts were affected. Government agencies said 75 people died from drowning, 15 from lightning, 2 from snake bites, and the rest from other causes. Big flood after rain in Emma, Switzerland.
Mga ka-YouTube, sa Bangladesh, nakalubog na pati bubong. Grabe.
After rain in Emma, Switzerland. Video of gusts of wind and hail during a severe storm in Saint Martin de Valhager and Gard, France. Terrible flooding in Pakistan after heavy rain. Stormy torrents wash away cars and people. Flood incident in Bailing Quetta this afternoon due to heavy rain for about 2 hours. People are scared, many houses are destroyed and flooded. Malaysia. Zunhua. A red alert was issued at 4 a.m. At present, the rainfall in Sidai has reached 199.2 millimeters, and some vehicles on city streets have been flooded. Tornado in Atirau region, Kazakhstan. Violent thunderstorms swept through northern Italy this afternoon, causing massive wind gusts and damage. Italy. A forest fire is raging in Greece. The fire spreads rapidly due to dry and hot weather. The activity of the Fuego volcano is increasing. The rapid response teams are already at risk points. Pyroclastic flows are visible from afar. About 50,000 people were forced to leave their homes after parts of Sydney received about 8 months of rain in 4 days. Windsor suffered from the worst flooding in 44 years.
Road anytime shortly.
Video of heavy hail that hit East Geneva yesterday afternoon, Switzerland. Meanwhile, flooding in Lviv after a thunderstorm. The downpour has flooded the roads, public transport has stopped, cars are floating along the streets. Ukraine. Flooding due to rain reported in some streets of Arcatau, Chalatenango. Salvador. High winds and a storm wreak havoc in South Dakota, Huron, USA. Heavy rain in Abu Dhabi, Banias, United Arab Emirates. A possible tornado was recorded in Esterville, Iowa as severe weather raged across the region. Flooding after heavy rain in Ciudad Guzman, Jalisco, Mexico. Hail has fallen on Albacete, Spain. Shocking footage of a landslide from Himachal Pradesh, India. Today, pure fire exploded. Fire brigades retreated to safe areas. Wildfire rages in Alaska, USA. Moscow and the Moscow region under the influence of a hurricane. Russia. The rainy situation has reached the peak of its impact on the Sultanate of Oman. The amount and intensity of rain increased in various parts of the country, resulting in flash floods. Streams of water flooded the streets and roads in different parts of the country. Flooding in Maoming, Guangdong, China. Heavy hail hit Requin, Valencia, Spain. Very strong storm in Mumbai. Waves are carried right through the streets of the city. India. Strong winds and a possible tornado in the Central Park of Villanueva, Guatemala. A new fire has broken out in Martigues in the Provence region. The flames threaten houses in the Barbasade area, France. Like Alaska, the Yukon and Northern Territories are seeing a large increase in fires. Huge hail fell today in Poggio Rusco, Lombardy, Italy. Thunderstorm with heavy rain and hail in Valle d'Itria, especially in the countryside of Cisternino, Italy.
Pazzesco, visibilità nulla praticamente.
Kung titignan nyo mga ka-YouTube, buong mundo, ito na yung sinasabing climate change, buong mundo na nagkakaroon ng pananalasa ng kalikasan, mga pagputok ng bulkan, bagyo, thunderstorm, mga kung ano-ano, lahat na lang ng pananalanta ng kalikasan ay nangyayari sa mundo ngayon. Ito na kaya yung sinasabi sa Bible na magkakaroon ng taggutom. Dahil ito lang mga nangyayari na to, pwedeng magkaroon talaga ng taggutom. Pag ang mga pananim laging binabaha, di ba? Wala nang tutubong pananim dahil laging baha, lahat matatangay, lahat hindi lalaki, lahat masisira. Di ang labas nun, walang pagkaing makukuha. Ito yung sinasabi sa Bible na magkakaroon ng tagutom. Pero hindi pa yan ang katapusan. Di ba sabing gano'n, no? Ni Jesus, ni Kristo na magkakaroon muna ng mga gera, tapos taggutom, mga plague o mga sakit. Lahat yan nangyayari na, no? Mga yung sinasabing mga maraming sinabing si Kristo, no? At sinasabi niya rin na, pero hindi pa yan katapusan. Nalalapit pa lang, no? Kaya lahat ng nangyayari sa mundo, ito ba ay isang palatandaan na malapit na ang katapusan? Sam TV, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe at huwag mo rin kalimutang laging magdasal dahil para maligtas ang ating mga sarili, dahil maliligtas ka lang sa sarili mo na lagi mong sa iyong pagdarasal, no? God bless sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw.